Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a Python course in which I teach you about how to learn Python programming language. It is very highly used and highly paid programming language nowadays. So let's get started, and today's topic is casting in Python. Suppose if you want to change int into string or int into float, or you have to change data types, one data type into other, so you can use casting. Casting usually work for int, float and string. You can convert int or float into string, but you cannot convert string into if there are alphabets involved in string, then you cannot convert into int or numbers. That's like common sense. So let's get started. And casting, sorry, I named it 011 casting in python.py cast. So suppose I make three variables. One is for int, b is for float like 3.4, and c is for string Henry. Okay, now I'm converting a into b, like int into float. So for that's why I choose float function, and here I write a variable. So when I print this, you can see 1 is converted to 1.0, which is a float number. So now I want to convert b into a, means float into int. So I again copy this one, and in this time I write here int. So as you can see, the first one is 1.0 because of this one, and this is the second conversion. So sorry, variable change. So as you can see, b is 3.4. when I convert it, it also its decimal points are removed and it's become 3. So now move to, I comment this, and now move towards our third, which is string conversion. So we cannot convert, if we convert like print int c, so it is not converted, because it is a common sense that we cannot convert alphabets into numbers. So if a string is like 1, then maybe it will convert. Let's see. So as you can see, it is converted. So but we can also convert str a. What is a? A is int number. So you can convert number into string easily. So as you can see, this is now a string. So this is the string casting in Python. So you can usually cast with int, float and string. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.